Friday, the 17th of October 2025. Flying J. Denny's in Resaca, Georgia. Oh, what time is it? (10:30). Temperature is 63, going down to about 60. I think this is exit 340. It's Georgia Highway 136. I-75 is right behind us. Resaca is straight ahead. US Highway 41, Georgia Highway 3 is about a mile straight ahead, maybe not that far. South is to the right, north is to the left. Resaca, Georgia is the site of the first major battle of the Atlanta campaign during the American Civil War. The battlefield is right behind us over there on the other side of the freeway, other side of 75, on the other side of this road, on the other side of 136. Large battlefield, has 6 miles of trails, Federal and Confederate earthworks. Nice battlefield park. North is to our left, south is to our right. Resaca is also the site of the first Georgia Confederate Soldier Cemetery. Over 400 soldiers buried there. We have video of it a couple of times. We were over there again today and got video of a train. So I don't know if we'll stay here tonight. I think we may. I want to get out and get some night video. We could get video here now and then go ahead and go to bed, then get up early, get night video, get nice Georgia back road drive down 136 heading east or west. I think we'll probably head east though, maybe hit 411 and go up. Maybe to Chatsworth, stay out again tomorrow night. Maybe roam some trails up around the Cahoota Wilderness. And right just to our right as well is the Oostanala River, right back behind the Flying J truck stop. From Google Maps, it looks like it's about maybe 100 yards back behind the trucks back here at the very back. The Oostanala and the Etowah form the Coosa in Rome. Etowah originates, I think, up around Dahlonega, coming down through Dawsonville, then flowing west over into Lake Allatoona, and coming out of Allatoona, then going down to Rome, Georgia. The Oostanala is formed by, I think, 3 rivers. The Conasega coming out of the mountains up in Cahoota Wilderness. I can't ever remember the name of this other river. Coosawhattie. And it comes out of Ellijay, and it's formed by 2 rivers over there, but I don't know what they are. I've heard, but I haven't remembered. But anyway, that gives you a little bit of Civil War, river, area history. And the Coosa flows on from Rome over into Alabama, and it was navigable until I think the 1950s. Riverboats would come up running freight all the way from the Gulf. And the locks are still over there. southeast or southwest of Rome. They're not functioning anymore. The dam has been destroyed, so they're in what you'd call ruin. It's a nice park. It's got camping, picnicking, fishing, a little store. What's that guy looking over here at us for? He's giving us the crooked eye. He's just getting that old ugly Ford truck and head on, get on, mind his own business. We'll just sit here and watch the activity. He can't get enough of us, can he? I shouldn't say anything. They may be subscribers. They may watch the channel. I apologize. I shouldn't say anything. I have run across people that watch the channel. I had one couple, they honked and waved. I thought they were mad at me. And she hollered out the window, "We watch your channel." It was down in Dublin, Georgia. So yeah, I need to keep my mouth shut. Oh me. I'll just shut up and let it record. We're using the Google Pixel 9 Pro. We've got it on night sight, which makes it, better for night vision. We ate at Denny's tonight. We got a burrito slam. You've got to watch these guys. It said 5 slams, $5. But it's, 5 slams, it said starting at $5. So they only had 1 slam at $5. The rest of them are more. Our burrito ended up with tax and running $8.56, but it was very good. It was a nice sized meal. Didn't need anything else to go with it. Had some sauce with it. But it was very good, and I got video of it and posted it. I guess now they're going to turn and get even a better look at us. Yeah, we're watching y'all too. It's out of state tag. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need the subscribers, we need the likes, the shares, we need the views, the watch hours. I thought they would, well, you can't turn left there. Well, you can, but you're not supposed to. There may be a divider up there, but anyway, I figured they'd go back to the expressway. We'll look and see if that truck comes back up through here. Got her little walking assistant there. Has her. I can use good English, I just very seldom do. I was raised better. Yeah, the only slam that's $5 was a 2 pancake, I think 2 egg breakfast slam. Well, the camera just cut off. It said it couldn't record anymore, reached its limit. I forgot the reason it reaches a limit, and it's usually 10 minutes. I didn't know we had that video going that long, but we'll combine these two. I'll have to do it in a YouTube app. I can't do it on this phone because I don't know how without uploading it to the cloud, and I don't like my stuff going to the cloud. Sirens sound like they're back here on 75. Well, I wonder why she's walking back there to him. Here comes the fire truck. Must be something going on here. Gordon County. I'll have to take the camera down to see what's going on, or to get it on camera anyway. Wonder if the food affected somebody. Food was good. Hopefully whoever needs assistance will be fine. Is that them there? Is that older fellow sitting there? I guess it is. Hooking up a monitor to his finger. I don't guess we need to show any faces, do we? Well, we'll keep you updated. If the ambulance shows up or something. Here comes another siren. This may be an ambulance on the way. Yeah, we're on the east side of 75. I think I've already mentioned that. And using this Google Pixel 9 Plus Pro or 9 Pro Plus, whatever, I can't edit like I do on Samsung. I don't like the way this camera edits, I'll have to import it to YouTube or either download it to the computer. And then I can't do the titles as good, none of this stuff. Yeah, here comes the ambulance. Advent Health, is that what I have? Blue Cross Blue Shield? They're gonna get a stretcher out? Looks like they're getting a stretcher out. He's standing up. Hopefully he'll be fine. Yeah, he's gonna get on the stretcher. I guess they're gonna take him to the hospital. I don't know if he's with someone or by himself. That's pretty quick. I don't know how long it took them, from the time they called, but they've got him loaded up on the way. Pretty impressed. Pretty impressive, I think. A shout out to Gordon County Fire Department and Advent Health. Okay, we're at 9:25. This thing's probably going to cut off again in a minute, in half a minute, 10 minutes. I tell you, you never know what you're going to come across at these travel centers, truck stops. It's about to cut off, I guess.